How to join clan on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to join clan on PUBG. Joining clan on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the game on your mobile device. Go to the clan menu. Tap on the clan icon on the main menu or in the lobby. Search for a clan. In the clan menu, look for an option like Find Clan or Search Clan. You can search for clans by name, clan tag, or browse through the list of available clans. View clan details. Once you find a clan you are interested in, tap on it to view its details, including the clan's requirement, rules, and members. Request to join. If you meet the clan's requirement, look for the join or request button. Tap it to send a join request to the clan leader. Wait for approval. After sending the request, wait for the clan leader or officer to approve your request. They may check your profile or ask you questions before accepting you into the clan. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can join a clan on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.